Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Friday. I am so pumped today. We are going to have an amazing day of activities. So over here next to me, we have two hex nuts. And I just want you to look at those for a second. They're hanging there in front of the board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this skewer, which is a straight piece of wood, and I'm going to bend it through. All right, here we go. See if this works. And I can take it back out very carefully. And my skewer is straight again. Did you see it? All right, I'll put it in one more time. And I'm just gonna let it sit in there just for a second. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to shake. Can you see the skewer? It's kind of bent. And optical illusions work because our brain sees things. Our brain calculates information a certain way, and we recognize that those are hex nuts. We've seen them before. But what your brain doesn't realize is that with color and shapes and the way we've organized this, it's actually playing a trick on your brain. So I'm gonna take this back out. And I'm going to show you that these aren't actually hex nuts. These are just pieces of construction paper folded a certain way to make them appear three-dimensional so that you think you see a hex nut that is facing away from you when in actuality...
Do that again so we can see it.
Do it again? Do this again? All right, check this out. I'm going to turn this. So this is what we have. We have two pieces of construction paper that I cut and shaped a certain way. And then when I put it there, I can take my skewer. Oops, I'm not trying to wiggle it. And it goes straight through. And then because it looks like the hex nuts are like this, it makes it appear that the skewer is bent. That is super cool. Super cool. All right.